Pascal here with Eastview RV with a new product, the Screen Shot by LCI, an automatic screen door closer so you can get in your RV without the bugs. To install, simply take a measurement of the width of your door. On this particular unit, we have a 30-inch door, meaning we're going to need a 30-inch screen shot. The screen shot comes with all the instructions you need to install it. Simply take the screen shot and assemble it on the door by screwing it in with the supplied brackets and screws. Once that's done, attach the retractable nylon rope to the door jamb as per the instructions. Once that's done, you're done. You've got an automatically closing screen door, so no bugs can get in. Come see us at Eastview RV and pick up your own screen shot today.